Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to disable the chat on Minecraft. Actually this is very easy, so if you are playing a Minecraft server and the people is annoying or are harassing you or whatever, the first thing you have to do is to go to escape, go to options, and here you have to go to chat settings. So here you can disable the chat. You have to press 2 times and the chat is disabled. The only thing you can see is nothing because chat disabled in client options. And also you can change some of the stuff. You can press command only, so when you open the chat you can only see the commands. Blah 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 blah. Go to options, controls, you can change, to chat settings. You can change the text opacity, the size of the chat to make it shorter, the delay, whatever. As you can see, I have it very transparent and very tiny. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and ensure to press the bell in the subscription button. See you next time and easy way.